Hey guys, welcome to the new video. This video is based on a select query. As I have told you in the last class that I will explain you the select query. So why select query? Select query is you have created a table, you have inserted the record, you have updated the record, and you have deleted the record. Now that is the main part of SQL, that we have stored the data. Now we need to see the record, so that's why we use SQL. Okay, so there are some things like select query is a DRL, data retrieval language, most usable command it is, and you can use by star and by the column name. So let's demonstrate that. Okay, so just I was using also this query, the TBL and the employee. Now select your query and run, execute. Now you can see all the record. Okay, so this is the one way. Another way I told you that we can use the column name also. So suppose you don't want to see all the record from the table, so that what you need, to select the column, and how many columns you will select, that many rows, that many column this will return. And this is very important question for interview also, guys, as we have used all the columns by using star, but we don't need some of the column or all the column. In the real time world, you will have so many column in your table, so many rows in your table. That time this command will help you to increase the performance. This performance and all I will be telling you in my future videos. So you are selecting only one employee name. Now some of the things I will tell you, the where clause also. So where clause, what is that? What is exactly, why we use where? So basically where we use to retrieve a particular rows which we need. So where is a filter kind of things. So when you use where, you have to give some condition. So let's try that. You need to select, first I am executing so that we can put. Now the employee ID, I want to see the data of employee whose employee ID is 1. Okay, now you can see only those employee name, those rows which are related to that employee. In real time world, it comes like I want to see the name of employee whose employee ID is 6. So like this the scenario comes. I will be telling you real time scenarios also. One more thing I want to let you know that, okay, suppose you don't know the table name, what you can do, you can drag down also the table name. Okay, and after that you can execute. One more tips I will tell you. Suppose you don't want to write the queries, what you need to do, you can right click and you can go to select top thousands record. What it will do, it will write you on a query. I basically use this command so many times because there are so many columns which I have to use, but I don't want to write again and again. So what I do, I always go to my Object Explorer, right click on the table, and then I get all these columns, and whatever the column I need, I take that. Suppose I don't want these 3 columns, I remove it and I execute. So simple, so easy. So let's summarize that what we have done today. So as I have told you, select is a very useful command. It is a DRL, and can use by star also and column also. Most of both are having different advantages and disadvantages. So that's the end of this video. So is there any question? If you have any question or any understanding issue, so please let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this.